The College of Communication and Information is the Communications, Information, and Media unit at the University of Kentucky. The college offers the following undergraduate majors: Communication, Information Communication Technology, Integrated Strategic Communication, Journalism, and Media Arts and Studies. Graduate programs are offered in Communication, Information Communication Technology, and Library Science. The college has over 1,500 undergraduate students and nearly 300 graduate students pursuing master's and Ph.D. degrees. The Grehan Journalism Building is home to two of the college's undergraduate departments, the School of Journalism and Media and the Department of Communication. The University of Kentucky's independent daily student newspaper, the Kentucky Kernel, also operates out of the building. Grehan also is home to the broadcast student newsroom, where students produce a live newscast 4 days a week every week. The Lucille Little Fine Arts Library Building is home to the School of Information Sciences undergraduate and graduate programs. Departments. The College of Communication and Information features 5 departments, created by the merger of the College of Communication with the College of Library and Information Science. Department of Communication. School of Journalism and Media. Department of Integrated Strategic Communication. School of Information Science, name change in July 2015 from School of Library and Information Science. Graduate Program in Communication. References. External links. College of Communication and Information website. School of Information Science. Department of Communication website. The Kentucky Kernel student newspaper.